David R. here. Today I'm going to talk to you about this book, Aspects of the Novel by E.M. Forster. This is an old book. It was published in 1927, and it is a result of a series of lectures that the author gave at Cambridge. Now, the book uses a lot of examples from other books that I haven't personally read yet, like War and Peace, Wuthering Heights, and books by Dostoevsky. I hope to get to those someday, but as for right now, I haven't read them. He says that a novel is a work of literature that is 50,000 words or more. And he says the backbone of the novel is the story. And this story keeps you asking, what happens next? What happens next? What happens next? He says a story is a narrative of events arranged in a time sequence. The novel is a work of art with its own laws, which are not those of daily life. And a character is real when it lives in accordance with those laws. He says there are two types of characters. There's flat and there's round. A flat character can be summed up in one line. For instance, that character might have a good quality or a bad quality. And there it is. The round character is capable of surprising us in a convincing way. If this character can't surprise us, then it's a flat character. As for plot, it's a narrative of events. It demands intelligence and memory. Every action or word counts, and it requires mystery. He talks about fantasy novels, and there are supernatural beings like gods, angels, monsters. Then he says there's pattern and rhythm in a novel. Pattern comes from paintings and rhythm comes from music. When it comes to pattern, the novel should be a whole. It should grow around a single topic, situation, gesture, which should occupy characters and provide a plot, and should fasten up the novel on the outside, catch its scattered statements in a net. Basically, it has to sum up and close all the open parts. Rhythm, it's like music. It needs to be steady. There needs to be a pace to your story. And he uses Beethoven's Fifth Symphony as an example. Now, this book is just an introduction to novel writing. I think it's good to have around, but I wouldn't use it as my only source. Anyway, that's all I got. Talk to you later. Bye.